this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls birthday collaboration for Leslie, Hillbilly Nails, Makeup, and more. Happy birthday, Leslie. Hope you enjoy your videos. There will be a playlist pinned down in the comments for everybody to watch everybody's video that took place today. Trying to turn over some gems and they don't want to cooperate. So, I'm doing this nail here. Is a glitter nail. It is by Modelones Glitter Gel Nail at 002 in Champagne. So, just in case you want to see this, I'm going to turn my overhead light on. I never remember. This is, I think, really beautiful. So we did 2 coats of this on this nail. On these other 4, I have used by Yogi. It is a magnet. It is this beautiful pink. Pink. So I'm going to put another coat on, but what I do want to do is the index finger, I want to use a different color on top for the second coat. I want to use, and it should be the color of the label here. This is a magnet, and it is number 6592. So I'm going to be putting this on. And we'll be putting some feathers on this nail. Leslie didn't have a specific theme for her birthday because she likes everything. So, my video, I got a couple of different embellishments that I want to put on. Some feathers, a heart. God, I love this color. Look at this. That is just really, really pretty. So that's the only thing that's going to be that color. I am going to get the magnet out. How pretty that is. Pretty. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Cure that one for a minute, 60 seconds. For the top coats, I am going to be using igel Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat, which means it's a no wipe. I bought, a couple months back, I don't know, about 2 or 3 of these. It was a great deal. They're 60% off. I could not pass it up. I don't need that yet. What am I doing? Okay, we are going to go over these. This nail I've already done. If you can see the difference in it from the magnet. But these 2 nails here, we're going to go back over those again with the Yogi color. My man's just moved. We're going to give this another coat. I want this really opaque. I don't want it to be see-through at all. That's why I'm putting 2 coats on. And I'll be doing the magnet on this one. I need to quit sticking to everything else. See there? I think it's just so pretty. We're doing the same thing to the thumbnail. I really like this color a lot. I really do. Wonderful thing about gel paints is they do self-level, so if you let them sit for just a minute, just a brief little minute, if you have any streaking as you're painting, or you can hang them upside down, and they do level themselves out, which is beautiful. 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 Oops, wish I had some hollow. I didn't plan on that. Should have had some hollow stuff out. I know one of my viewers, her little girl, she's not just my viewer, she's a really good friend of mine. You know, Crazy Mama. Her little girl, Erica, she loves it when I say hollow. So when I say it, that's always for her. Okay, I'm going to pop these in the lamp. Let me think first. Do I need anything? Nope. We're going to pop these in the lamp. These a cure of 60 seconds. Now this nail, I'm putting the top coat on now. And this top coat by Igel Beauty is real thick, which is what I really love about it. It is very shiny. I just love, love, love their top coats. So I have like 3 of their top coats. I have, you can buy in a set the gel and the lacquer, identical colors. When I first bought, I can't get to them. When I first bought my set of acrylic, or the acrylics from them, and I bought like 6 or 7 sets of polishes where the gel and the lacquer are together. So I thought that was a great, great deal. This little heart here says love. So I have to set a certain way on the nail. It's just not cooperating. So we're just gonna, whoops. Okay, I'll leave it like that. What else will we put here? Some feathers. Oh, there goes Instagram. And here we go here. Heart that says love, and you got 3 feathers, as well as the magnet line. So I'm going to pop this in for 60. Whoops. Is that a full cure? Now these puppies here. Let me see, what am I doing with them? What am I doing? So I'm going to start top coating these. Give this glitter a real good shine. Love, love, love this one. Look how pretty that is. That is just beautiful. This one over there. Yep. So everybody go check out Leslie's Hillbilly, Hillbilly Nails, Makeup, and more. Wish her a happy birthday. If you are already not subscribed to her, please do so. Tell her Just Nailed It sent you. I would greatly appreciate that for her birthday. And I know she would too. Okay, what do we have in here? What is left? I'm missing something. Oh boy. We are missing... Oh, there it is. Let me see. This is a cross. There you can see it right there. And from there, I don't know, let me think here. Did I put top coat? No, I sure didn't. Couldn't remember if I top coated the thumb or not. Make sure your sides are all covered. Oh man. Whoops. Let's take this nail off. Huh. Put a few little bling on this nail as well. I think that is really pretty. Really pretty. I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 60. I am going to top coat over these embellishments so that there's, not that I'm wearing them, but so that there's no snagging. That's what I would do if it was on a real person. Yeah. So now, gotta do something else with the middle nail. Whoops. I think I just swung a gem. I think I did. Okay. I'm gonna put a few small feathers. Our thumbnail is cured. Pop this one in. There's Instagram again. So, what should we do here? I think I'm just gonna put some bling down the nail. And we'll straighten these out, I promise. I promise I will straighten them out. There we go. So I'm going to take this nail out, set the lamp off real quick, and I'm going to stick them all in together at one time. But here is the manicure. I think this turned out really nice. Really nice. So I'm going to pop that in, I'm going to cure that for 60, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp, as I always say. Fresh out of the oven. Here is my happy birthday mani to Leslie, Hillbilly Nails, Makeup, and More. Hope you have a very blessed birthday. Leave me a comment down below, everyone. Let me know what you think of my mani. This nail here has two little leaves in my bling. But her nail is just so pretty. Gotta love the bling. So, here it is up close. you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos that I upload. Please give it a thumbs up, a like, and a share. I greatly appreciate that. I appreciate you being here today, helping me celebrate Tammy, or not Tammy, Tammy's on my mind, helping me celebrate Leslie's birthday. Once again, happy birthday, Leslie. Have a blessed day. Love you, honey. Have a blessed day. Thank you.